To resize a row in Google Spreadsheet, to emphasize the row I will put a border to this data. To begin, select all the data, then watch the mouse to put between each number. Once it's in the middle of the line, simply drag it, just like what I did on the video. This is a manual resizing of rows. For the overall resizing of rows, select all the data and drag it. And that's it. That's how you resize column in Google Spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.